What's up, everybody? This is my 1993 Ford Mustang that I basically brought back from the dead. I'm making a saleen clone, as you can see, and I just finished installing 2004 Mustang GT brakes on it. I still have to fix a couple things here and there. I have to bleed the brakes one more time because they're a little soft. But yeah, and then I gotta do the rear end. Hopefully go with discs for the rear end. And then after that we'll start with the Metro North Pass. And then after that I'll put like a, well, I want to put a turbo on it, like an on-3 turbo. Here's the interior. Looks really nice. I got the roll cage. I really like the roll cage. It's a little claustrophobic, but otherwise it's fine. She's pretty clean. I did a lot of things to it, as you can see. So yeah, thank you for looking. I gotta make my own YouTube channel about this.